roller camera backpack from Pgytech is here. Are you guys wedding photographer or professional photographer for events? Then this smooth camera roller backpack might be the backpack that you've been looking for. As the name suggests, there are two modes to this roller camera backpack. So the first is a roller trolley mode and the second is the backpack. But first, let me show you the roller mode because it's just so cool. The wheels, the 360-degree wheels, you can sort of dance around with it, go any direction that you want. And it works excellently on any surface like wood, grass, concrete, anywhere. And if you have heavy load, I actually like to just slide it at the side because it's effortless, weightless, because you can just slide easily sideways. And in a place like here, what you can do is simply just slide a handle in and then just carry it with a top handle. But that may be a little heavy. So you want to get into the backpack mode. By the way, these are awesome new winter gloves, which I'll talk about at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned till the end. For the backpack mode, just slide it in, zip up, and all you need to do is unzip this part. And you see the backpack. And I just need to fold this part, and there is a hook. The design is just amazing. And the hook are rather secure. And you just need to take out the shoulder strap, and they actually have a place here. So just smoothly put it out. And then you might be a little bit worried about the wheel because they've been on the ground. It might, dirty, soil your jacket. But don't worry because they have the perfect design to make sure your jacket, your clothing are clean. At the side here, you just need to pull out the cover. There is a nice cover for the wheels, so they will not interfere with your clothing. So this is perfect, but there's also another way, so definitely keep watching. So now the backpack is ready. It's gonna keep my jacket completely clean. Now I am almost ready to climb up the steps, the chest strap, and you can adjust everything, but right now it's already perfect, so now I can climb up the steps. I like this covered wheel mode because, once you're in a flat surface, you don't want to carry a heavy backpack. There you can just put it down, take off the cover, and with these winter gloves, you can just take them off like this. You have all the fingers ready. Simply take off the cover, tuck it back in, and then slide back in all the shoulder straps. And even without unzipping, you have everything off the ground. Just slide back, hold this handle, and you're ready to roll all the weights off the shoulder, completely free, weightless. So for the trolley mode, it has 3-stage telescopic height adjustable for any kind of situation or any kind of height. So this is the full length, so 1050 millimeter, and this is a mid length at 975 millimeter. So this is for me perfect if I'm sort of sliding at the side. So by the way, I'm 170 centimeters in height, so you guys can sort of calculate for yourselves. And for the lowest height, this is 900 millimeter. So sometimes in the backpack mode, you may not necessarily want to have the wheels stuck at the bottom. In that case, you can always take it off. It's super convenient. So I have all these 4 wheels out already, and they originally came in this little bag. So I just need to put them back in. And once these wheels are removed, they can just go back into the backpack. And this means you can now carry it into your cabin in the airplane. And with this, you get 8% more storage space compared to the suitcases with the wheel. So with this, you definitely can carry more stuff into the cabin, ready to go traveling. Today is a really cold day, and I have to say these winter gloves, they have really helped me get through today. So if you guys are, going for winter photography, videography, events and so on, they really go well with the roller backpack. So I can actually take off this finger cap. They give extra insulation. And also these fingers, now they are free to do whatever I want. There are 3, fingertips that can go completely free. So you can actually go fly drone with it. Right now I'm standing in an outbound area, but You know, you can do whatever you want because now 3 fingers are completely free. But what keeps these gloves really warm is that in the secret pocket, there are battery. The heating battery. So with this heating secretly hidden, I think you can definitely take these gloves to the North Pole, you know, take videos of penguins and so on. And you have the wrist strap, so everything is kept safely. So now let's see what's in this roller camera backpack. Ta-da! The dividers are super beautiful, yet super protective of all your expensive gears. So this middle section, this is really, really thick. So you have like a solid divider here, and also here as well. Very, very thick. And here in the middle, it's more flexible, so you can actually shape it into whatever shape that you need to keep, you know, smaller lens here. So a drone like this is Mavic Air 2. You can actually just go in like this and still shut completely fine. So this length works totally fine. And let me show you another example. This is the drone RC. It can just go in like this, very deep and completely secure and scratch proof. So it keeps all your expensive gears completely safe. So let me show you other compartmentalization that you can enjoy with all your gears. And what's really notable behind all these dividers at the back, you may have noticed it's actually completely flat. That's because thanks to this trolley handle, which is super duper wide at this length, so there's no handlebar stuck at the bottom, so making the surface completely flat, so the space is really efficient. And especially at the bottom part, it's hard, so it will definitely keep all your gears completely safe, even the ones at the bottom. And on the top of the cover, and yes, it's written 30 liters, so 30-liter storage space. On this side, oh, really secure. You can fit in a super large laptop. This space can fit up to 16-inch laptop. So this is, you know, very spacious. There's definitely more gaps, so yes, you can fit in 16-inch laptop here. Furthermore, you can put documents here and laptop here, completely safe, and this is also thick, so very cushiony as well. And this Velcro is strong. And I love how wide this, you know, space is. You can actually just put it at the flap at the bottom on the ground, and you can just flip it open and get all your gears. However, if you are worried that this is a little too wide, then don't worry, because there are these little hook with strap. So if you accidentally open this cover, then you have this strap. Once you're ready, you know you're in a safe place, then you can open this up. So with your backpack or your carry-on suitcases, what you may want is an expandable option. So of course there is an expandable option. So this zip, you can actually open it all the way up and so this expandable space is absolutely huge. Once you unzip, let me take out some stuff. You can take out a gimbal, and I even have the tripod at the bottom stuck on, and the length is really tall. And also a down puffer jacket. Wait, there's another down puffer jacket. So the space inside here, 10 liters extra space. So you definitely get a huge room in this roller camera backpack. And inside this expandable compartment, you get a zipper for anything important can just go in. And on the other side, you get this deep sleeve. And there's more zipper on this side, as you can see. And inside there is a hook for you to keep safe. It's spacious enough, something that you want to definitely just get into really quickly. You can put it in a zipper. And of course, this part has the anti-theft, the YKK zipper. And the main compartment, of course, zipper, you can lock everything up with a lock for further safety. So on this side, you can fit in a tripod. So on the other side, it gets a lot more interesting because you have this dedicated digital storage space. So inside this digital storage bag, I have some batteries, Sony camera battery here, and this strap is really sturdy. So you can fit in the small battery like this, or you can fit in even bigger battery like this. And on this bigger strap, you can put in drone battery big like this. And here you can change indication, green, red. And on this side, you get a zipper, you can put in something important. And also outside, there is another zipper. And this part, the cover part, is rather cushiony. So yes, you can put in other batteries as well if you need, and safely put it inside. Can sort of strap it. And also you do have this strap. And this one is like a one-touch strap. And this is the technology that I've seen in the camera strap of Pgytech. Just you can untag it like this and also secure it with just one hand. And once you detach this, then you can actually just take it off very quickly. Take this out and reattach. And reattach real quick. And you just can carry it. And here there's another really strong strap. You can actually carry it at the side. And of course on top there is even stronger strap that you've seen me carrying it in the outdoor already. And on top you see some other hooks. So these camera backpacks, they do come with 2 sets of straps for you to strap other additional tripod, other additional gears that you would have. So inside the backpack, there is a slot for air tag. And for further safety, all these zippers, it is from YKK, the #1 brand for zipper, and it is waterproof. But don't go absolutely crazy under extreme weather condition. But it does come with a rain cover for really extreme weather. So this is a rain cover, Pgytech. Looks fantastic. The design is still very good. So at the bottom, you can attach the wheel and use the trolley roller. And also on top, it is completely covered, so you can continue to use it as backpack. But if you want to use the trolley, the Velcro off, and you can open up the trolley, you're now completely protected with this Pgytech roller camera backpack. So what did you guys think about the brand new roller camera backpack? Isn't this super convenient? I think this roller camera backpack answers to many of you guys' requests. You know, you can now be free of carrying heavy stuff on your backpack. Now you can roll your gear smoothly or even just roll around with it. Yet the design is still very professional, very sleek. So definitely do check out the link down below for more detail on this roller camera backpack and also the winter gloves. So continue happy shooting in the winter time without being cold, without carrying heavy stuff. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you.